In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update France 24 News app. By updating France 24 News app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. This will also help you to fix any issues or errors that might be associated with this app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and find or search for the app through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store. And from Play Store, make sure first you log in with your Gmail account and search for France 24, like that, France 24 app here. And as you can see, we have an update. So I'll open it first and then tap on update to begin the update process. Now this will go ahead and download the latest version of France 24 live news app. And once the download is done, it will be installed on your smartphone. From here, you can go ahead and open your app directly from here, or you can now go to your apps, find your app and open it from here. So that's how you can get the latest version of France 24 News app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.